In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on exactly how to create a CV on Canva. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do firstly is to just go into Canva and also of course log into our Canva account, and then you should be taken to this page right here. I would also suggest to you to actually do this on the PC because it's much easier to create your CV on your PC rather than the mobile app itself. But if you don't have a PC, you just have the mobile app, then don't worry, you will still be able to follow along this tutorial step by step. So what you're going to do in here, as you can see, it says like this: search your contents and canvas. As you can see, this is like the perfect kind of thing that we want to be able to find. So in here, we're just going to search for CV. So search for CV in here, and then you should be taken to this page. Now on this page, you will be able to see a bunch of Canva templates in here that you're able to actually choose. And just a funny story, by the way, before, when I was actually looking for jobs, it was like I think 1 or 2 years ago, I had bad luck with finding jobs, but when I actually created my CV on Canva instead, well then first job that I applied to, it actually worked. So I think there is some magic in those Canva CVs for sure, in my opinion at least. Just a funny story. So for example, we can just let's take this CV as an example. So now when you click on it, you can click on customize this template, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page where you can actually see the template of the CV itself. And by the way, as I said before, there's a bunch of templates for you to choose. So just choose the one that you want to be able to have, basically. So this photo right here, in here you will be able to, of course, add your own photo, which you can click right here where it says upload and then upload your own photo. But I'm just going to just take a random like face right here. So let's take this person as an example. So let's say that this is me, just as an example for this tutorial, of course. And I'm just going to write testing CV. But in here, you're going to write your name, obviously. And as you can see, about me, I'm going to write this is just a test for a YouTube video, nothing serious. But I would also suggest to you to write about yourself right here, not like this, obviously, but you're going to write like maybe where you're from and what kind of like experience you have. Like just summarize your experience, maybe if you want to, or just write what kind of hobbies and stuff like that. You can be a little bit playful and personal in this section for sure. And also your contact information here, as you can see, your phone number, email address, your social media. I don't think this is, to be honest, I don't think this is actually necessary unless you're like applying for a job that requires you to actually have social media. Same with website. I mean, I feel like it's too much, to be honest. And once again, if you are not applying for a job that requires you to actually have a website or social media, I would just remove those two and just have phone number and email address. I think those are like the standard ones, basically. And as you can see, skills right here: copywriting, digital marketing. So this is just like the person's skills, basically. So in here you will be able to add, of course, your own skills. So for example, YouTube as an example, if that is a skill, I guess YouTube. And yeah, as you can see, there's like a lot of more skills that you want. If you want to be able to add them, just add them. You can also copy this one right here. For example, we can do like this. I think it can work. I'm just going to see copy and then paste, and you can do another one if you want to, obviously, as well, as you can see. So this is also possible. I think it should look pretty fine. Yeah. And by the way, if you've done something wrong, you can always click on undo in here, just so you know. It's very simple to actually just go back or go back or go forward again. As you can see, that is also possible with Canva. So here your experience that you're going to write, obviously the exact experience. Here's 3 bullet points, and I think 3 bullet points is perfect. Yeah, it depends on how many jobs you have, but 3 bullet points in general is perfect in my opinion. And also the educational, not education. I would actually just write education in here. I think it just sounds much better. You're going to write your education in here as well. And when you're done, you can obviously just, I would rename this CV like this, for example. So your like your name and also CV like this. I think it's pretty cool to actually just name it like this and then just attach it as a file later on to your to the job that you're going to search for, obviously. Then you can click on share right here, and then obviously click on this button when you're done editing your CV. And that is basically exactly how to create your CV on Canva.